press the bell icon for all the updates.
Karan, tell us a little bit about your association with this magnanimous designer duo and being here today.
Well, firstly, I've known Falguni and Shane for really long. And many, many years ago, I remember when Shane and Falguni wanted to do a men's line. They wanted to shoot their campaign with me, and that never happened. But I'm glad that they kept me in mind when they actually went into it full throttle. And the fact that Shane and Falguni said that their line was an inspiration, it's very flattering, and I hope people like it, because otherwise I would hate to be an insipid inspiration for anyone. But the clothes looked fabulous and flamboyant, extravagant, and yet exceptionally elegant, just the way Falguni and Shane like it, and just the way they state it. And I just think the show was completely rocking from the time it began till it ended. It felt like a 10-minute party, and I think when the ramp is converted into a party zone, that's when you enjoy the show even more. And so I've actually changed twice. I wore one jacket and wasn't enough. I went back and even came back wearing something else. So I had a lot of fun. This is totally my zone. I'm half Sindhi, so bling goes with my territory. Bling is everything, and I think men should never shy away from shining, because, you know, I just think that it's their way of expressing their inner soul. And I believe that you should not think that just plain clothing is the way forward for a man. I think the androgynousness of their collection is exemplary.
Thank you. Karan, tell us a little bit about both the jackets and both the looks that you've been styled in.
Well, I think we weren't spoiled for choice. We had many choices, and then when we decided to open with that shimmery and shiny silver and black sequins jacket, and of course we coupled, it was their idea to go completely silver on the hair. This is the way I probably will age, so I hope I didn't look like Sonakshi's uncle on ramp. But other than that, it was like all them, their vision. We wanted to open with that, that, and then we decided to use the second jacket as well, which is a longer silhouette and had the same elements Sonakshi has actually, which is sequence and kind of upping and taking the dinner jacket and the trench coat pattern and silhouette to an higher, more fashionable level. It's the way the world is dressing today, and I'm so glad that our mainstream designers in India are actually pushing the fashion envelope and sometimes tearing it as well.
Sonakshi, over the last few months, you've been lauded for the way you've been presenting yourself to the media. Your looks have been the talk of the town. You've been a fashion icon. Tell us a little bit about when Falguni probably called you and said, you have to be the opening showstopper for us. How did that begin?
They actually called me he said he put together the collection 15 days back. So he obviously called me like 3 days back, and he was like, we're showcasing our first menswear line. And Shane and Falguni have been, one of my favorite designer duos. I've worked for them in the how long back was it? 4 or 5 months back. I was their showstopper for their women's wear line. And, now that they're foraying into menswear, like he said very correctly, it should open with a woman and then the men can take over, but it always has to start with a woman. So I'm really glad that I could be the opener for their show today, and it was a fabulous show. I really loved the outfits, all of them, and I love what I'm wearing. So thank you guys for making me look like a rock star.
She is. Sona's a rock star and she is really amazing.
फॉर्चुनेटली जब रणवीर सिंह इंडस्ट्री में होता है ना, उसके बाद आप जो भी करो लोग एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे, क्योंकि उन्होंने फैशन बार इतना हाई रेस कर लिया है, और उन्होंने सब जो ये पूरा जो कलेक्शन है, मुझे लगता है ये रणवीर सिंह का फेवरेट कलेक्शन हो सकता है, बिकॉज वो सारी चीजें वो कपड़े, इनफैक्ट आई अपलॉड हिम एंड आई अडोर हिम फॉर एक्चुअली completely taking men's fashion to an altogether different level. वो like एजी फैशन के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बन चुके हैं, तो हम उसके बाद जो भी करें ऐसा लगेगा उससे कम ही कर रहे हैं. तो आई वाज एप्रीहेंसिव, आई एंजॉयड इट. मुझे ऐसे धमाकेदार कपड़े पहनना मैं बहुत खुश हो जाता हूं जो ऐसे कपड़े पहनता हूं. तो आई एक्चुअली हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन. कोई एप्रीहेंशन नहीं था.
We had Bollywood's darling, Kriti Sanon, put the show to a scintillating end. Kriti, tell us a little bit about what you're sporting, as well as, your association with Tarun for Lucky Fashion Week.
All I know is that I feel beautiful wearing this garment, and I don't feel hectic at all. Like, I literally could run on the ramp, but I was supposed to walk, so I walked.
I told her to be as naughty as she wanted.
Yeah, he asked me to be naughty and he asked me to smile, but then he gave it a second thought and he's like, smile when I come with you. Don't smile before that. So I had fun. I think, this whole thing of couture being really hectic and actually very heavy to sort of wear and, enjoy your evening. You don't really enjoy the evening. I think, I'm so glad that he's taking care of that and making you look pretty and elegant and beautiful, but at the same time keeping it easy, keeping it free. And I think the whole concept of the show was fabulous. I just felt like I owned the world when I walked on that ramp because I could see so many of myself.
Many yeah.
I could see so many of me there.
Showstoppers tonight, seven
Yeah.
of the same.
Yeah, and in fact, everything, like even the music, I feel was so strong. It just makes you feel strong. And as he said, you know, it's not like it's not about only your clothes, but it's also about you. So I felt fab walking the ramp tonight.
Kriti, you were enticing while walking the ramp? Enticing.
Seductress of space, yes.
Are you asking me or telling me?
Yeah, I'm confirming it.
You can say that.
Why not?
That was the brief to you?
I was just told to just feel free and feel strong. That's about it.
That's it. To be her own
Let him
spirit,
be free, yeah. Let him talk.
Let him be free. It's okay.
चकड़ देते हैं लोग.
आप कभी-कभी
आखिर
ट्रैक से
बैठो।
बहुत उधर चले जाते हैं इसलिए जकड़
बेचारा
देते हैं
क्वेश्चन
थोड़ा
पूछ
सा.
रहा है अब इसको.
So I was just told to be free and told to be, you know, just someone who...
Spirited.
Yeah, just spirited and empowered and just feeling free about myself.
And therefore, that is enticing. That is the modern enticement.
Month of romance. You are also romantic?
Yeah, I am.
Who
I am.
isn't? Who isn't?
I'm kind of filmy romantic. Are you filmy romantic?
I'm not sure what that means. You can explain to me. I'm not filmy, so I can't answer that.
your great presentation. You're a fantastic showstopper. Tell us, what was your thoughts about, this collection and what you're wearing today?
Yeah, I think the first thing that I love about this is how easy it is to walk in. It's extremely light, feather light fabric, and at the same time it's retained a classiness and a royalty to it, which I think is fantastic. And I think that Amo means in Sanskrit purity of being, which very much encapsulates this whole collection. Very, very easy, carefree, natural. So yeah, it's a pleasure when designers make clothes which are beautiful and at the same time very wearable.
All of the words that you just mentioned are the perfect way to describe you as well. So I think it's a perfect.
I'm beautiful and wearable.
Not wearable, but very individual, very edgy. You have your own style, which is
thank you.
It's a great pleasure to always have you at Lakme Fashion Week.
Thank you.
Well, what to say, I think I'm honored. Adarsh gave me this opportunity to walk for Lakme Fashion Week. This is my first ramp walk for Lakme Fashion Week. His label is Osa by Adarsh, and I am honored, Adarsh. You know, I've always been his fan, his collection. And if I talk about this dress, I mean, I just love this outfit. He's actually known for his, abstract work, different intricacy, and it's unique the way he designs his clothes. I want others to speak up a little and tell us more, elaborate a little more about the outfit and your work.
In fact, I will elaborate about you. From Bahu to Khatron Ki Khiladi to Bigg Boss contest, and the most stylish actress award by the HT, So, and she is a youth and inspiration for a lot of people and to me also.
Thank
you. That is, I think, the designer and the muse are meeting at one platform. And about the work that you can see, that multi-color applique and the brocade weave coming together.
Yes.
Have the conversation and alignment in that outfit.
Yes.
So that is how this has been created, and the name of my collection is Conversation.
Conversation.
Yes.
The name only itself defines that how in today's world we are connected, but still we are disconnected in this digital age where, social media is faceless and we don't connect with people. We communicate, but there's no real conversation happening. So by this, I would want to turn back and see.
Yes.
The work, the detailing is fab, and I just love the outfit. And not just this one, there are a few more outfits, I just love them.
I hope so, Hina, you will always adore my outfit.
Yes, I will, for sure, and everyone else will, for sure.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Sorry, we need to wait. Thank you so much, Hina.
Thank you.